Hello and welcome back to the SolidWorks Sketch course. In today's lesson, we are going to learn one of the most useful tools for creating geometric shapes and with symmetry and precision, the Polygon tools. We'll cover everything for choosing the number of sides and difference between the inscribed and circumscribed polygons. Let's start. We need a new part here. Double click here. We always need a part because polygons are a 2D sketch is geometry. We always start in the part environment. Select a sketch plane, front plane, top plane, right plane. Choosing a plane is essential because every 2D sketch must lie on a flat reference surface. I choose front plane and click sketch. You can see the polygon here in the sketch menu. Polygon. Click. Here, tick for construction. Like. Here, we have a center line. If we want a polygon for construction, click here. Here is the parameter 7 or 8h, 6h. Inscribed side circle and circumscribed circle. Click here for the center and move mouse outward. Now we have a polygon. Inscribed circle and circumscribed circle. Inscribed circle means we have a circle inside the polygon and polygon touched inside the circle. All vertex on the circles is useful for mechanical fits or symmetric parts. Circumscribed circle, we have a circle out of the polygon. Polygon is outside. Circle is outside of the polygon. The edge touch the circle, useful for designing knots and bolt head. Another one here. Click for center and move mouse. Inscribed circle and circumscribed circle. So this session was pretty easy. That's everything you need to know about the polygon. In SolidWorks you learn about the inscribed and circumscribed circle, and you learn how to choose the number of sides. So that bye bye till next session.